Leos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your mid-June energies and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in this reading. At the end of the reading I will take out one advice card for you as an advice from your higher self as well. Today we are going to check out your past, present and future energies. We will see what are the energies and what are the guidance, what is the advice for you in this reading. Okay, so let's get started with the reading. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? And if it is not your story, do not try to make it yours. You can also check your other signs. If this is for your sun, moon, rising and Venus sign. If anywhere does not resonate with one reading, you can go and check with other readings as well. Okay, so let's get started with your reading now. For my Leos, mid-June 2021. Leos. And if you want to book a tarot appointment with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there, okay? Let's see. Okay, at the back of the deck we have the Nine of Wands. All right, so let's see. There's some kind of resistance you might be showing to someone or to something around you. It can be a resistance to not to let go of someone. It can be a resistance to let go of someone and not to turn back, not to see where this person is going again, you know, that kind of resistance which you are showing, that rigidity, that is what is coming. We will clarify this card in a bit. In your past energies we have the Hanged Man, the Sun and the Devil in reverse. So I'm seeing that you have released something in the past. Yes, it could have been a marriage, it could have been a toxic relationship which you have released, because you really took a lot of time. First of all, it took you a lot of time for that to release first, and then to, you know, move on with your energies, with full of you, with full of this Leo energy. And then in the present we have the Page of Swords, Ace of Cups and the Five of Cups. There is some kind of regret. I think that this person with whom you have ended everything, because you released this connection, you ended this connection, with whomsoever this was ended, it's like a strong regret situation which is coming up. This person might be stalking you. This is a lot of stalking energies, a lot of new let's start again, refreshing energies again and again. So that is why you are at a situation where you are ready to look at a situation, to look at yourself more than another things, because whosoever this person is from past, or this was a new person in your life, it does not concerns you anymore. Somewhere, yes, you feel that because it was really hard for you to let go first, but you really just put that courage inside you and just went on with that thing. But still, somewhere or the other, there in the subconscious mind, there is something going on with this person in your life. In the coming future, we have the Death, Two of Wands and Three of Wands. You are really, whatever this thing, whatever that situation is, either you or your person, there's something, an ending towards this thing, because you are seeing yourself as a new person. There's growth, there's success, traveling also involved, might be with the Two of Wands over here. So you're going into some another direction, Leos. Past is affecting you somewhere. It is, I won't say lie, but at least you are working on yourself. You are trying to heal and you're trying to just work and work. Okay, let us clarify now. Let's clarify. So let's see why this Nine of Wands energy is here in the overall reading. Why the Nine of Energies is here in the overall reading for my Leos. Nine of Wands. King of Wands. Strong Aries, Sagittarius and Leo energies with the Nine of Pentacles. I see that, yes, this is a strong person who is really, I think you are, why you are being rigid, because you want to work on yourself. You are working on your finances as well, your independent work. You might be a businesswoman or businessman. You might be working independently, self-employed as well. So you are working about that thing. You are more concerned about that thing, and what is over for you. Things have really changed in your life. These things have, and you know why you are becoming this such a all of a sudden. Although Leo's energies are really strong energies, always they are the king of the jungle, you know, that Leo lion energies. But with the Tower card, it's like something in your life, all of a sudden this Tower is just, you know, it just changed your life. Everything just ended all of a sudden, and you have transformed all of a sudden. That is what transformation is, what I'm seeing, Leos, for you. You have transformed because of this sudden problem or sudden you know, a thing which you have never expected. Unexpected situation was this. Whatever happened with you, whatever happened in your past, whatever you released from your life, things happened because of that. And now the new Leo, the new you energy is making you do this. Okay, you are the one now. Wow. In the past, we have the Hanged Man, the Sun, and the Devil in reverse. So I want to clarify the Hanged Man, please. Why the Hanged Man is here? Strength energy, Page of Swords, and the Ace of Wands. Strong Leo again. You know, this is something which was hidden and you were not able to see. Strong Leo, Strength and the Sun energies are here. This is your energy. You started looking when this thing happened with you in the past, when you tried to release a situation in which you were so much attracted. It was kind of an addiction to you. This person or the situation, it was an addiction. You were not able to let this thing go, but you released it. It took you a lot of strength to fight off the situation. It really took you, and to start a new beginning all of a sudden again. You know, this could have been like you. It does not concern about the age, but it was a situation where you worked on yourself. You might have also learned new skills, or you were into something online stuff. You might have learned from online things, so that you start again a new chapter of your life, and you really did some transformation over here. Wow. I want to see this Devil in reverse. Why the Devil in reverse is here for my Leos, please. Knight of Cups. Yes, this was a person who was very charming to you. You know, a person who is like so much good in face, so much good with words, but with actions they are really not the ones. When we talk about strong love relationship, we do not see the Knight of Cups. Okay, it has to be some Queen of Cups or the King of Cups. It's really we need some king energy, but this person was a knight, and yeah, you had to release them. Three of Cups. See, they were like, you know, flirting in nature, flirtatious in front of you as well. So it was always like, why are you not 100% towards me? It always pissed you off, and it was like you were addicted to them. They really liked you. I am not saying that they do not, but a person has to love. If you are loving someone, you really need that love back. Okay, but you didn't get that. I want to check why the Ace of Cups is here in the present energies. Ace of Cups, please. With the Knight of Swords, the Hierophant, Two of Pentacles. Okay, so I am getting really mixed energies here. Okay, so I'm going to tell, I don't know whosoever this concerns, but there is somebody who really needs to listen. So out of you all, there is one Leo who has done one thing, like because this energy is coming up, it's like because of this releasing thing, you made a decision, okay, and that decision involved a marriage. You were not, you did took that decision out in haste. You didn't think about that thing. Only for some of you, this is not for everyone. Somebody did that thing, you know, out of no reason. I'm just getting married with someone else. I really want to release that, and now there is some regrets on your part as well. So whosoever is this thing, there are regrets coming up for you. If you have taken this kind of a decision, okay, and for some of you, this is the energy where you are entering into new relationship, or there's some another commitment, because if you have released something from the past, you are ready for new present or new future. So but there is like, you are still messed up in between this past and the present energy. So you have to just get out of that energy and then enter into something new, because things are coming up good for you, really good. You know, with this Ace of Cups, it's like new love is coming towards you, my dear Leos. It's just you have to see, okay. Let me clarify this Five of Cups in the present energies, please. Five of Cups, why this Five of Cups is here? Ace of Pentacles. See, if you are getting regrets because of something, if you are feeling, do not, okay, please do not harm yourself. Do not see the negative sides. Start seeing the positive sides, because within, like, I don't know, within like 6 months to 1 year, things are coming up good for you. It is like that. You have to face realities, what are going on. Okay, so let's see the future energies. Why the Death energy is here in the future? I think something is ending. Whatever toxic thing which started, it already ended though, but you know, it is the final chapter of your life now. That is coming towards an end. With the Six of Pentacles. And what else do we have? See, Ten of Wands and Five of Wands. I'm seeing that things which made you really heavy, the arguments which always used to come out of no reason, you know, it was always you like giving and no receiving thing. These are all things are ending. All the arguments coming to an end, all the disturbance, heaviness coming towards an end, because you are starting a new chapter of your life, Leos, in the coming future. You have to end this thing. If you have ended it physically, emotionally also, you really need to end it. Let us see why is the Three of Wands here in your future energies, please. Hermit. See, I do not need to clarify more. I have got the card for you, the best card. Yeah, this is more of how to say this, a calming card. When we are just, you need to calm down. You really need to surrender to the divine. That, like, you know, you really need to say, okay, so God, I am done with this situation. Now it's in your hands. Now please help me. Okay, so this is the time, because you are entering into new phase, new chapter starting. Such a beautiful reading for you, Leos, today. You know, really beautiful. Okay, so now it's the time to take an advice from your higher self to you for this situation. Okay, so let's see. One card for my Leos, please. One card for my Leos. I'll take this. Tell the truth. Wow. Okay, so this might be for some of you. I'm going to read it. Communicate with integrity. You may need to level with someone. This person could even be you. Are you saying you are fine when you don't mean it? Are you swallowing your needs because you don't want to rock the boat? When we hide the truth, it eventually comes out in destructive ways. Act with integrity and say what's on your mind. While honesty may lead to short term discomfort, your long term peace and happiness are worth it. Okay, so you can read this card, you can pause the video, you can read it again and again for yourself. But yes, it's time to face the truth and to tell the truth to yourself, whatever your feelings are telling you. Sometimes you need to understand, to need to listen to your intuition as well. I think that is the time now. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Leos. I hope that helps, and we're going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.